Are you struggle with weak, thinning or dry hair? Today I am sharing a powerful homemade hair mask that will deep nourish, strengthen and bring your hair back to life. This natural recipe is packed with vitamins, minerals and essential nutrients to help your hair grow thicker, healthy and shiny. Let's get to it. But before that, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. To my returning subscribers, may God bless you all. So now let's get to it. I have kiwi, egg, onion and spinach. So these four ingredients that I'm going to blend together. So stay tuned. While I'm doing it, I'm going to tell you guys each ingredient, the benefit of each ingredient and the important, what is the importance of using hair mask to your hair. I'll explain everything to you guys in this video. So now I pour my spinach into my blender. So the next ingredient that I'm going to add is going to be my egg. So after break the egg inside, we all know that this thing, for me to blend it this way, is going to be difficult for me. Not only me, everyone. If you are going to blend it this way, you are going to suffering for blending it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add olive oil into it, because normally after I finish everything I'll add olive oil and coconut oil. So I'm going to add the olive oil inside so that it will make it easier for me to blend this mask. So while I'm blending it, let's check and see the benefit of this ingredient. Now let's start with egg. Egg is rich in protein which strengthens weak strands, and biotin is supporting hair growth. It's having vitamin A and E which preventing hair breaking and dryness. So while you are using egg into your hair, that one there, we all know it's having protein already. So if you want to do protein treatment, it's good while you are doing it, always add your egg inside. If you are notice that your hair is breaking or your hair is not like maybe the way you are expecting this form, I will advise you to add egg into your routine things, because that will prevent your hair from breaking. So after that, let's check and see. Okay, let's check and see spinach. Spinach also is rich in iron which prevents hair thinning, and it's having vitamin C, vitamin A which nourish scalp, strengthen hair follicles. So using these things, if you have thinning hair, it's also going to help you to achieve your dream thicker hair that you are dreaming for. You are going to get it. But mind you guys, I said it so many times and I'm going to be continuous saying it. Everything, consistency is the key. Don't use something once and you are expecting it to work like magic for you. Use it consistency, you will achieve the goal that you are looking for. So let's continue the benefit. So now let's check and see onion. Onion also is having sulfur, stimulating hair growth, reducing hair falling and adding natural shine and thicker to your hair if you are using onion. Kiwi is having vitamin C, is boosting collagen for strong hair roots. It's also having antioxidants which protects hair from damaging and improving scalp circulation. So using kiwi also into your hair, you are going to enjoy it. Well, after blending it, I go behind of the camera to strain my ingredients. Now we I strain it, I use my filter to make it. So right now also what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the ingredients inside. So the first ingredients that I'm adding also right now is going to be my coconut. I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil inside. So guys, while I'm adding my coconut oil, let's check and see the benefit of coconut. Coconut oil also is deep penetrating hair shaft, preventing protein loss and adding natural shine and thicker to your hair. So after add my coconut oil, the next ingredient now I'm adding is my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil, it's also having antioxidant and protecting hair from free radical. It's also replacing damaging hair, adding natural shine. So that is why you will get when you are using vitamin E oil. So after vitamin E oil, my next ingredient was Grisly that I'm adding. So let's check and see the benefit of Grisly. Okay, Grisly also is strengthening hair roof, reducing shedding, promoting fuller, thicker hair. So what do you want again? And also is helping to keep the moisture into your hair without doing what? Without losing your hair, the moisture that you are going to benefit, without losing it. So now after add these things, I'm not yet finished yet, guys, because I'm going to add honey. I cannot make this thing without adding honey, so I'm going to add my honey also inside. So guys, why I'm going to add honey, let's check and see the honey, the benefit of honey also. Honey is having natural humanities that lock in moisture, make hair soft and shining. It's also preventing dryness and freezing. So when you are using honey into your hair, for honey there, I'm not putting single joke of it, because when you guys notice all my routine, I'm adding honey into it, whether hair spray, hair tea, hair mask, I'm putting honey inside because it's helping us for our hair to get more soft. So now after put all my ingredients, what I'm doing is I make a hot water to replace it, because the coconut oil was not melt, it was like solitate. The coconut oil was solitate. So what I'm going to do, I'll replace it into the hot water like this, and so that, but you have to make sure that the water is not too much boiling, not to cook the egg. You know, you don't need to cook the egg. So I have to be straining it and make the ingredients, the oil to melt, so that I can mix it very well. So please, if you watch it up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. Importance of these hair masks. Hair masks are like a food for your hair. It provides deep nourishment that normal condition cannot give. Regularly use this hair mask once a week. Prevent your hair, improve your hair growing, prevent breaking, add natural shining, deep nourish your scalp healthy, and it will do what? It will perfect growing, because there's nothing is going to be blocking your hair again. Use this hair mask at least once or twice in a week. Okay, so to use it, apply it and cover it, sit for 30 to 40 minutes before go and wash with your shampoo, with your conditioner, and come out. And after that, add your regularly leave in conditioner or your oil. So now, to make it easier for me, you can pour inside your spray bottle. That will make it easier for you to do what? For you to be spraying it into your scalp, massaging your scalp. The places that you think you have problem, those places you need to focus those places more. But start from your roof to the tips, okay? And thank me later. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E. It's also nourishing hair, strengthening roof, fighting dandruff and dryness. So using olive oil also, you are going to enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. To my returning subscribers, please, may Allah bless all of you. Those who are coming, may Allah bless all of you. I really appreciate you people for coming back to be checking me. Please, let's grow our hair together.